Hey everybody, Jen from Scrapping Under the Influence. I wanted to hop on here really quick today and just kind of do a walkthrough of the Doodlebug Fairy Garden paper. So this one came out a couple of years ago, but they re-released it with the Bunny Hop paper this year as just another, more spring and not so much Easter line. So this is available at Country Craft Creations. So we are going to take a look at this because it's super cute. This was one I absolutely adored and then just never did get a chance to do anything with. So we're going to take a look at it. So first up, we've got our This and That sticker sheet, which, you should be fairly familiar with these by now. They kind of have, the same shaped pieces on them every time, which is really nice because at least you know what you're going to get. Got all your little word stickers here, some little tabs, and then some different little pieces and things. This collection is so stinking cute. I just can't even tell you. With the papers, first up, this one is called Fairy Garden. We've got our nice little sunshines. And then on the opposite side, we have the collage sheet like they do. Really bright, bright pastels, if that can be a thing. I'm not sure how else to describe it. The little fairies on here are so cute, little fat birds. And then you've got some really cute little bugs and things and mushrooms and flowers and whatnot. That this is just a really fun print. Next up, we have Rainbow Love. And so we've got a whole bunch of little hearts in a rainbow of colors. And on the back side, you have got one of my favorite prints, which is this rainbow pattern here. Next up, we have Pixie Plaid, which is, of course, the list cut aparts, which are always really fun, especially to put in pockets and things on mini albums. I use them on flaps a lot of times too. And then we've got a beautiful Doodlebug plaid on the back. This one has lots of pinks and purples and blues in it. This collection does. Next up, we have Little Ladies, which is the border sheet. And I know you guys have heard me say it 100 times. The border sheets are some of my favorite things to work with because, like belly bands and things, I'll cut them where I can mat them with one of these little border strips because they're just fun. It's like you've got all your little fairies, you've got little bugs, little fat birds. Pretty flower one up here at the top. So really just a fun print. And on the back side, we have all the little ladybugs in pink on pink. Next up is Garden Spot. So this has a bunch of different pastel mushrooms with the patterns of like petite prints on the mushrooms themselves. So that one's a really fun one. And then on the back side, we've got a nice big polka dot, which is a nice change. And of course, when you have the 6x6 pad, you're going to have all of these exact same papers, just at 50% size. I couldn't find my 6x6 pad, so we don't have that with us today. This one is called Magical Meadow. So we've got a bunch of words that kind of gradiate in a rainbow down the page. And on the back side, we've got a really pretty flower print. Here we've got our 3x4 cut aparts. This is Fairy Dust. And you've got, of course, oriented both directions, landscape and portrait. So you've got lots of options here. They're super cute. I always love when they do the little branch with the bird on it. That's just a fun one. Cute little bumblebee there. Just a fun print. And then we've got just kind of a, little, I don't know what you call these, like some dots and like a little starburst, I guess, in all the different colors on the back side here. This one is called Glow Bugs, and we've got a tone-on-tone clouds. And then on the back side, we've got the cute little lightning bug in purple, which I love this one. This is just such a cute one. This one is Fairy Floral, so we've got a rainbow stripe page, but the stripes are all different sizes, which is fun. And on the back, we've got flowers in different sizes and all the different colors. This is Be Happy, so we've got the cute honeycomb. And on the back side, we've got our cute little bees, which Doodlebug bees are adorable. This is Pink Posies is the name of it. and you've got the dots, and again, they've kind of got that rainbow gradient going across. It doesn't pop on screen like it does in person, but this one is really a pretty one. And then we've got tone-on-tone pink flowers on the back. And the last sheet is Bug Babies, and we've got another pretty plaid in all of those rainbow colors. And then we've got all the cute little bugs and the mushrooms on the other side. So those are your papers. You've got your icon stickers. So again, just, you know, cute images. Like this little rainbow with the fairy up here is super, super, super cute. Got a little jar with the lightning bugs. Just lots of fun images. Little hedgehogs. Cute little frogs. Super cute frogs. I love those frogs. And then, of course, we've got the mini icons as well. There are 2 sheets in here. This was, like I said, the more recent collections, the last like year or so, they've started putting 3 sheets in. But again, you're just going to have, you know, a lot of those same images that you have on the icons, just smaller on the mini icons, which is kind of fun. Like, so we've got this cute little fairy sitting on the flowers here, and then there's a smaller version over here. So that's always good. We have got shape sprinkles. These are the 3 she had. Okay. We have got mushroom meadows. So we've got our little epoxy mushrooms and our little bugs. We have, does this one not have a name? Chasing rainbows. It's just not printed on the top there, which is odd. Chasing rainbows. So you've got all the rainbows and the different little clouds. And then spring garden with all the flowers, which is always a fun one. We have got Doodle Pops, because of course we have Doodle Pops. We have the Rainbow Doodle Pop. This one is one of my favorites. The name of this one is Over the Rainbow. That I have a few of those. Got cute little sunshine. This one is Sunshiny Day. We have got cute little house here, fairy house. And then we've got 2 little fairies, a little blue one and a little pink one. And they have little epoxy, you know, accents on them. So those are always super, super fun. We've got Chit Chat. This Chit Chat, we have 93 pieces, and we've got a lot of options here. We've got 2 different little flower borders here. We've got that cute little round one, the little postage stamp, a bunch of little, speech bubbles, the banners, the different banners and things, words. We've got birthday, wishes, hello, happy, dreamer, friend, magical girl, sweet. This is just a really cute one for like little girls, like birthday parties, that kind of thing. So that one's a fun one. And then of course we've got our odds and ends, and there are 192 odds and ends. So let's dump these out and kind of pick through these and see what we got here. So we've got, again, there's that cute little girl, little fairy sitting on the flowers. So you've got her in 3 different sizes. There are some nice big ones in this collection. There's the little girl with the rainbow again. We've got 2 different borders with like the little lights. Cute little frog. Let's see, we've got a wheelbarrow full of flowers. Cute wishing well, little fairy sitting on the log. Which those are similar enough in size. You might almost be able to put the Doodle Pop over the top of this one just to give it some dimension if you wanted to. That is a trick that I use every now and then. We've got mushroom houses. We've got the cute little fairy on the swing. We've got lots of rainbows. Oh, cute little fountain. Mushroom house, lots and lots of little fairies, all sorts of little fairies and little rainbows and things. This one with the little bugs and the little log is just super cute. So yeah, there's lots of fun pieces in this. And like I said, there's 192 pieces in here. So you have got a ton of pieces in here to play with. You of course have all your little trees and things, lots of different little fairies. Yeah, so there you go. Just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough of this. And then I will have something else new that will be new to Country Craft Creations sometime early next week. So stay tuned for that, and we will look at that stuff when it comes in. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!